Hello everyone. This is my demonstration for Project 1, Wiki, in CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This is the homepage for my Wiki project. On the left side, you can see navigation links and the search bar. And on the right side, you can see all the entries available. If I click on any entry, I will be taken to its entry content. The entry content is converted into HTML by using the Python Markdown module. I'll go back. I can also navigate to an entries page by typing it in the URL as wiki/, followed by the entry name. Regardless of the capitalization, if the name matches any of the entries, I'll be taken to that page. For example, if I type in Python, you can see we have been taken to its entry. But if we try to type in an entry name that doesn't exist, for example, Java, then we'll be taken to an error response page as you can see here. There is a go back link to return to the home page. I'll click on that. Now I'll try the Create New Page button link. If I click on it, we have a page rendering the title. For example, I will create a page for Java and enter the Markdown content for it. I'll type some content. Java is a high-level programming language used to create dynamic web pages. And press the Save button. Here, we can see a response stating it's saved. I'll go back now. Here you can see the Java entry too. As you can see, if I open any entry, for example, I'll open Django, there is an Edit Entry button here. I'll click on that, and now I can edit the content for that particular entry. For example, I'll add a line, Django is easy to use. I'll click Save Changes, and here we can see a response that the changes are saved. I'll go back to Home page. If I try to create a new entry that already exists, if I go to the Create New Page button and add the title Java again, then click on Save, we can see an error message that states the entry cannot be saved because the file already exists. Okay, so I'll go back again. Now you see the search bar. So if I type the exact name of an entry, I'll be taken to that entry's page, if the name matches regardless of the capitalization. Okay, so if I try typing a subpart of an entry name like SS and click Enter, we can see the search results which contain that substring. Here we can see CSS, and if I click on CSS, I'm taken to that entry's page. Okay, so lastly, I will try the Random Page button. If I click on it, I should be taken to any random entry. For example, if I click on it, I am taken to the HTML page entry. If I click on it again, then I can see Python, so it will show different entries every time. So this was my demonstration for CS50 Project 1 Wiki. Thanks a lot.